Bermuda is such a fun little island that has a ton of stuff to do. So today's video is going to talk to you about 3 fun activities that you can do the next time you're in Bermuda. And I'll link to the places that are talked about in this video in the comment section below. But first, I'm Cassandra from Passport and Soul. And at Passport and Soul, we help travelers of color travel soulfully and with ease. Back to the video. Hands down, during our time in Bermuda, my favorite activity was visiting Lili Bermuda, which is a perfumery. We visited their primary location in Stewart Hall. It's beautiful, and you can even have afternoon tea in their garden if you'd like. We got to learn a bit about the perfume making process, smell all of the different fragrances, and I was even able to make a signature scent, which I later purchased. But be forewarned, the prices for the perfume will cost you a pretty penny. So generally, I only use the perfume that I made for special occasions. Lili Bermuda is usually open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday, and from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Sundays at the Stewart Hall location. Now, another thing that we enjoyed was our visit to the Gibbs Lighthouse. I think that one of the things that added to the enjoyment was that we took public transportation, the bus, out to the lighthouse. We always enjoy taking public transportation whenever we go to a location because it's a great way of being able to immerse yourself a little more into a local culture and community. And you know that's what Passport and Soul is all about. But back to the lighthouse. The Gibbs Lighthouse was built around 1846, and it is the tallest lighthouse in Bermuda. Now, there's no elevator, so to get to the stunning views at the top, you have to be able to climb many stairs, like 186 to be exact. Luckily, there's some resting spots along the way, and once you do climb all the stairs, it is so worth it. Take a look at these views from the top. I also enjoyed being able to take some unique pictures inside of the lighthouse as we made our way up. And there are exhibits to see on your way up, such as this picture of their first female lighthouse keepers from back in the day. The lighthouse is generally open daily from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, the third fun activity that we enjoyed during our time in Bermuda was visiting Fort St. Catherine. The fort was built around 1612 out of wood, and this was followed up in 1614 with stone. Today, of course, it's no longer used as a defense structure, but instead it's a museum that focuses on Bermuda's military history. The grounds of the fort were beautiful, and the views of the fort were as well. As with most open-air places in Bermuda, it can get just a little hot, so make sure that you wear cool clothes for your fort visit and bring some water. The fort is generally open daily from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now, I know that this video was about 3 fun activities to do in Bermuda, but I'm going to throw in a bonus, and that's going to take a Segway ride. If you have the time and the inclination, I'd say go for it. We had the greatest time tooling along in the Royal Dockyard area, and we even got to go along a highway by the coast for a little bit. Now, it appears as if the company that we use changed names. It used to be Segway Tours of Bermuda when we took our ride, but now it looks like it's called Bermuda Segway Tours. Either way, there are plenty of other companies to choose from as well. So that's it. 3 fun things to do the next time you're in Bermuda and an extra bonus activity. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the Passport and Soul channel, and forward this video on to someone else. Until next time.